Good evening, and welcome to the first newscast of Camp 4 2011 Anvil News Sports Update. It's going to be an epic year. What do you say, Matt?
Obviously.
Well, on to the news then. Matt, what's happening with the news today?
Well, today, yeah, not a whole lot.
Well, there was that, no, I guess.
Wait, wasn't there?
No.
No.
Yeah, nothing really happened today. Well, that's it for today's Anvil News Sports Update. Tune in tomorrow where we'll have more news for you. We promise.
Good night.
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 Good night.